she's a really good-looking puppy. She's big, but she's still a puppy. 1.5 years old. Yeah, I don't know how you can... If there's a way to write a comment and send a photo, I'm not sure if that's possible. Hey, ZG25, happy birthday. Say hi, Raven. Say happy birthday. Yeah. Shout out to ZG25. Oh, girl. You say happy birthday, Raven? Good girl. Thanks for the love, everybody. What do you think, Raven? Raven, you gonna howl? If it was a full moon, you might be able to hear her howl. Say, ow! Uh-oh, zoomies. Here we go. She's fast. Thank you. Yeah, subscribe, everybody. Chloe's walks. This is Raven. Her brother Moose is inside. I'm going to bring him out in a little while. We're keeping them separate because Moose has a sore paw. He's getting better, but he sprained his paw about a week ago. You subscribe? Thank you. Cool. Check out our videos. We've got tons of cool videos. Skiing and scootering. Doing zoomies, right, Raven? We got videos walking in the woods. We've got cool trails out back in the woods here. Nice. Have fun. Labs are awesome dogs. What do you think, Raven? You'd like to play? She likes playing with everybody. Cool. I love German Shepherds. My neighbor's got 2 German Shepherds. We've got the Alaskan Malamutes. They're big puppies. Well, German Shepherds are big too. These 2, Raven and Moose, are like 100 pounds. Thank you. You say hi? Say hi, Raven. Good girl. A close-up, extreme close-up. Hey, Gojo. Moose and Raven. Yep, Raven's here. Moose will come out in a little bit. You're a good girl.